Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install Resident Evil 3 game from Microsoft Store or Xbox app on your Windows computer. So when you open Xbox app, when you see Resident Evil 3, over here you see the option which says see in Microsoft Store. So you have to click over here. I think right now you can install this game from Microsoft Store. You don't have the install button over here. If you see the install button, then fine, you can do it. If you don't see, click on see Microsoft Store and make sure that you log in with the right account which has the Game Pass subscription. Once you're logged in, you can click on install, you can select the drive and then click on install, and here you can see it's installing. So you can try this, but still you are unable to install it from Microsoft Store, then please follow the rest of the steps shown in this video.
Now the first step is to sign out and sign in again on Microsoft Store. So open Microsoft Store. On the top right over here you can see a profile icon. Click on it, then click on sign out, then click on sign in. Now select the right account and then click on continue. It will be asking for your PIN or password, so enter your PIN or password over here. Now once done, now try to install the game or application. Also make sure date, time and time zone is correct on your computer. So on the bottom right over here you can see the date and time. Make a right click on date and time. Now click on adjust date and time. Now make sure set time automatically is on over here. So make sure this is on. Also make sure set time zone automatically is also on over here. And then click on sync now. Now make sure that you click on sync now. This is important. If you receive any kind of error message, click on sync now once again. So when you click on sync now, it may fail. Then click on sync now once again. Make sure this is synced. Now go to time and language and go to region and make sure right country is selected over here. Now the next step is to try installing the game or application from library. Now for this, go to library. On the bottom left over here you can see library. Click on it. Now over here find your game or application. So whichever application or game is not installing, find it under the library. Now once you find it, now click on install or update and try installing or updating the game or application from Microsoft Store library. Still you're facing the problem, then run Windows Store Troubleshooter. Now for this, open Windows settings. So go to the start menu, click on settings. Now go to system. Now if you have Windows 10, you will have an option update and security. In Windows 11, I don't have update and security. We have Windows update. In Windows 10, you will find update and security. Click on update and security. In Windows 11, click on system and then click on troubleshoot and then click on other troubleshooters. Now over here, find Microsoft Store. Here you can see Windows Store apps. So click on run. In Windows 11, click on run over here. In Windows 10, click on Windows Store apps, then click on run the troubleshooter. So run the troubleshooter, and once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer and then try to install your application or games. Now the next step is to clear store cache using wsreset command. So type in wsreset in Windows search box and then click on wsreset command. Now this will open this black screen and the black screen will go away and it will open Microsoft Store once again. Now try to install the game or application. Next step is to update Windows. Now this is important. So open Windows settings and then go to Windows Update or Update and Security. Then click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed, restart your computer and then update, install or download your application or games. Next step is to reset store app. Now for this, again open Windows settings and then go to apps and then click on installed apps or apps and features. Now find Microsoft Store in the list. So or you can simply type in Microsoft Store over here in the search box. Now, once you find Microsoft Store, click on it. In Windows 10, click on it and then go to Advanced option. In Windows 11, click on this three dot and then go to Advanced option. Now scroll down. Over here, you can see the repair option. Click on repair. And after the repair, open Microsoft Store and then try to install the game or application. Still you're facing the problem, then you can perform reset. So click on reset, reset. Now after the reset, open Microsoft Store and then try to install the game or application. Still you're facing the problem, then restart Windows Update, Microsoft Store install and background intelligent transfer service. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now find Windows Update in the list. At the end over here, you can see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update. Set it to automatic. Then click on apply. Click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. With this selected, now click on restart the service. Now find Microsoft Store install service and then make a double click over here and set it to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. With this selected, again click on restart the service. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set it to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. And then with this selected, click on restart the service. Now open Microsoft Store and then check. Still you are facing the problem, then delete Windows Store local cache file. For this, go to this location. So open File Explorer on your computer, go to this PC and then open C drive. Now open users folder. Now open your username folder and then open AppData folder. Now if you don't see AppData over here, click on view and then select show and then put a check on hidden items. If you have Windows 10, somewhere over here you will find view option. Click on view and then somewhere over here you will find hidden items. Put a check on the box which says hidden items and you should be able to see AppData. Open AppData folder. Now open the local folder. Now find packages folder. Open the packages folder. Now scroll down and find this Microsoft Windows Store and some alphanumeric characters. So you will see this Microsoft.WindowsStore underscore some alphanumeric character. Open this folder. Now over here you will find local cache folder and then make a right click on local cache file folder and then click on delete. Once this is deleted, now open Microsoft Store and then check. Still you're facing the problem, then run this PowerShell command to re-register Microsoft Store. For this, copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you're opening PowerShell as an administrator. Click on yes to allow and then paste the command over here, hit the enter key. Now once this is done, now open Microsoft Store and then check. Still you are facing the problem, then run this command. This command is also provided in the video description. Again, type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell, then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow, paste the command once again, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. Now during this process, you will see some errors in red color. So if you see errors like this in red color, just ignore it and let the process complete. Once the process is complete, restart your computer and then use Microsoft Store. Next step is to uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Store. Still you're facing the problem, then you can uninstall Store. For this, copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Again, type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell, then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now paste the command over here, hit the enter key. This will uninstall Microsoft Store from your computer. Once done, now restart your computer. Now after the system restart, again open PowerShell and run this command. So copy this command. This command is also provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell once again, make a right click on Windows PowerShell, then click on run as administrator. Opening PowerShell as an administrator is important. So always open PowerShell as an administrator. Paste the command, hit the enter key. This will reinstall Microsoft Store on your computer. Once done, now you should be able to open Microsoft Store. And once done, now try to check Microsoft Store. Still you're facing the problem, then run DISM and SFC and DISM command. For this, type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you're opening this command prompt as an administrator. Then again click on yes to allow and copy the first command. Paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this scan will take some time. Now once the scan is 100% complete, run the second scan. So once this is complete, 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it, hit the enter key. Once the second command is 100% complete, now restart your computer. And after the system restart, open Microsoft Store. Next step is to run inetcpl.cpl command. So type in inetcpl.cpl and then open inetcpl.cpl and then over here go to the advanced tab, scroll down. Over here you can see TLS, not the SSL, TLS. Over here you can see TLS 1.0, 1.1, 1.3, 1.2 and 1.3. So put a check on all the TLS, that is TLS 1.1, 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Make sure all four are checked and then click on apply, click on OK. Now open Microsoft Store and then use it. Now the next step is to use Xbox app. Now in case if you are still unable to install the game from Microsoft Store, and this is only applicable if you are installing the game. You cannot install the game from Xbox app. So use Xbox app. Now, if Microsoft Store is not working, you cannot download Xbox app from Microsoft Store. You have to go to Xbox app website. So you can go to Google and type in Xbox app, go to Microsoft website, go to Xbox website. I will provide this link in the video description. So go to this link. Go to this link and scroll down. Over here you can see download the app. Now click on download the app and then install it on your computer. Now after the installation, open Xbox app. Once this is installed, you can open Xbox app. In my case, this is already installed. Now once you open Xbox app, log in with same account on Microsoft Store and on Xbox app. So make sure that whichever account you're using on Microsoft Store, so log in with same account on Microsoft Store and with same account on Xbox app. So it will give you an login option. Now once you're logged in with same account on Xbox app, you can search that game and install the game from Xbox app. Over here you can search that game. So whichever game you are trying to install, so once you're logged in with same account, you should be able to install that game from Xbox app. So for example, if I want to install Forza Horizon 5, this is just an example. Whichever game you're trying to install, you can search that game over here in the list, and once you search the game, you can install it from here. You will see the install option over here. So you can use Xbox app to install the game. So over here you can see the install option. So use Xbox app to install the game. This is only applicable if you want to install the game, not for the application. Now the next step is to install Xbox Identity Provider and Gaming Services. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here you can see Xbox Identity Provider. Click on Get in Store app. It will prompt you to open Microsoft Store. So open Microsoft Store. Now if Xbox Identity Provider is already installed, you won't see install button over here. In my case, this is already installed, so there is no install button. So if you see install button, click on install, and after this, uninstall and reinstall gaming services. So to uninstall gaming services, copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Type in Powershell in Windows search box and then make a right click on Windows Powershell, then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. Paste the command over here, hit the enter key. This will uninstall gaming services. Now once this is done, now copy the second command. This command is also provided in the video description. Paste it over here, hit the enter key. This will open Microsoft Store on your computer. You will see install option to install gaming services. So click on install, click on yes to allow, and let the download complete. Now, once the download is 100% complete, once this is done, now you can try to install the game or application. Now, the next step is to start all these services. Now, for this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. And then find Xbox services over here. So first of all, find IP config. Over here, you can see IP helper, not the IP config, IP helper. Make a double click on IP helper, set it to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Now find all the Xbox services. At the end, over here, you can see all the Xbox services. Make a double click, set it to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Now again make a double click on all the Xbox services, set it to automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Again set it to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. And again automatic, apply, click on start, and then click on OK. Now find gaming services in the list. Now over here you can see gaming services. Make a double click on gaming services, and then if make sure gaming services is running. If not running, make a right click and then click on start. Now if gaming services is already running, stop it and then restart the service. So make a right click, then click on stop, and then restart gaming services. Make a right click, then click on start. Again make a right click and then click on start. And then check. Now find Windows Update and Microsoft Install Service. So find Windows Update. Again, make a double click, set it to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Now find Microsoft Store Install Service. Make a double click, set it to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Now restart your computer and then use Microsoft Store.
Now the next step is to try installing the application or game to a different drive. So for this, go to the start menu, click on settings, go to system, then click on storage, scroll down, click on advanced storage settings, and then click on where new content is saved. And then if you have selected any other hard drive, maybe D drive or some other drive, try to install the game to C drive and then check. Now the next step is to rename WP system and Windows apps folder.
Now to rename WP system folder, open File Explorer on your computer, go to this PC, open D drive. Now over here you can see WP system. When you try to rename it, you won't be able to rename it because you will receive some kind of error message that you are not allowed. Now, so make a right click on WP system folder and then select properties, go to the security tab. We will go ahead and take the ownership of this folder. So go to security tab and then click on advanced. Now click on change over here and then type in everyone over here, everyone, and then click on check names, then click on OK. Now put a check on the box which says replace owner on subcontainers and objects, and then click on apply, OK, 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 and then again make a right click on WP system folder, select properties once again, go to the security tab once again, click on advanced once again. Now this time click on add over here and then click on select a principal. Now type in everyone once again and then check names, OK. Now put a check on the box which says full control and then click on OK, apply, OK, OK. So now you can rename it, make a right click, then click on rename it as WP system.old. Now still you face problem. In that case, you can go ahead and restart your computer and then try to rename it once again. Now the next step is to update your Windows 10 or 11 using media creation tool. So if nothing is working, this should work. Update your Windows 10 or 11 using media creation tool.
If you have Windows 10, copy this link. If you have Windows 11, copy this link. Windows 10 users, go to this website. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download tool now and then run this exe file. Then you will see the screen. Click on accept. By default, upgrade this PC now would be selected. Click on next. It will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now this process will take some time. Now once the download is complete, before the installation, you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So click on install, and once the installation is complete, log into your computer. Now for Windows 11 users, go to this website. Here also you will find media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 media creation tool. Now click on accept. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save the location. You can set the location as desktop and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, click on finish and then go to desktop, find Windows ISO file, make a double click on Windows ISO file, then run the setup file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11 now. And here you can see install Windows 11, click on next. It will check for update, then click on accept. Again, it will check for update. Now before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer.
So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install the game successfully from Microsoft Store on your Windows computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.